Hey guys, it's Kim here with Verily Fiber Fun. Thanks so much for joining me today on part 2 of this summer top series. Part 1 was over a year ago. Oops. Apparently life really got in the way and a bunch of new projects took my attention. Anyways, in part 1, I took this mystery wool of the Andes from Knit Picks. I had to call them and find out what it was. So it's wool of the Andes and flax. So I'm blending it together with the intent to create a summer hand knit top at some point. I have never worked with wool and flax blended together, so we shall see how that goes. The first installment of this series, I carded everything together on my drum carder twice and then pulled it off in rolags. And then I've been meaning to get around to trying it out on the blending board since Christmas. And that's when I received the blending board. It just hasn't happened. So I finally sat down and worked on it and did about 4 or 5 boardfuls. I think I still have some fiber left to blend together. I might try out the Brother baby drum carder. I'm not sure. So it's just going to sit there until I decide. But anyways, you can see I've already spun up the first batch of fiber. It is on the bobbin sitting there on the corner of the coffee table. And I did wet spin it. I think I will dry spin the next bobbin just to see how different it goes. Sadly, I didn't get any filming done. I didn't enjoy wet spinning. I don't have a good setup for it, and having to constantly wet my fingers was mildly annoying. So yeah, no filming happened. That's one of the reasons this project took so long. If I'm not feeling it, it's not gonna happen. That's just the way life goes right now. So I'm just layering wool, flax, wool, flax. On this board, I ended with wool. On the next one, I end with flax. And this is double speed. The second clip is actually ×4 speed. But this is just, basic. Load up the blending board, take it off. For some reason, I only got 3 rolags on this board, and I don't remember how many on the next one. I do have a bunch of rolags left from the carder sitting over on the side of the table. So they're a little bit different. They're wrapped a little bit tighter as they were done on size, I think, US 10 knitting needles. And these dowels are much bigger around, and so they create looser, more neat looking rolags. Of course, putting the fiber on the blending board actually gives me a more even distribution of fiber across the width and length of the board than painting it on the drum carder like I did in the previous episode. All right, so I'm going to turn on some music and let you guys let you guys enjoy the rest of this video. And feel free to ask any questions and leave your comments down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Until next time, bye guys.